I'm going to surprise you. Split in Python splits a string into a list of characters. Here's some examples to see how split works. Just calling hi.split splits hi on any spaces. Obviously it has no spaces, so it returns a list containing just the string hi. Okay, let's add a space. Hi space I.split splits the string on spaces, meaning it returns a list containing the string h, then the string I. Even if you add a bunch of spaces between the h and I, split still returns the list containing h, then I. You don't have to just split on spaces though. If you pass one argument to split, you can split on a specific character. For instance, if you had Jenny's number, 8675309, and then split it on the dash character, you would get a list containing the string 867, then the string 5309. If you're wondering, you can't do something like hello and then split on the empty string and split hello into all of its characters. You could just pass some string like hello into the list constructor to achieve that goal though. The last thing, if you give split 2 arguments, you can specify the number of splits for split to do. Say you have 1 through 4 separated by a dash. Dash and 0 would give you a list with just the original string. If you pass in higher than 0, think of that like the number of bits that split will cut off. 1 will split the 1 off, 2 will split the 1 and 2 off, and so on for higher numbers. To join strings in Python, you can use the string join method. It brings together multiple strings from a container. How it works is a bit kooky. You see this list A with the letters A through C. You can call join on the empty string and then pass in the list A. This results in the string A, B, C with no spaces between the letters. This is the result that happens because the string you call this method on is the string that is put between every character in the container. In this case, the empty string was put between every element in the list. Like and subscribe to learn more.